Good morning, students. How are you? This class is for 6th class. And what is the first chapter? And this is the second part of the first chapter. What is the first chapter? Knowing our numbers. Up to now we have learned the comparison of numbers. What is greatest and smallest among the given numbers. And writing the number names. And number names are given writing in the words. And as arranging the numbers in the ascending order and descending order. What is the topic? Knowing of numbers. For 6th class, part 2. This is 6th class, part 2. Okay, this is 6th class, part 2. In the next topic of the 6th class is rounding of numbers. What is meant by rounding of numbers? For example, I am taking 19. I am taking some numbers here. I am taking some numbers 19, 15, 14 and 26. Here I have to round off the numbers nearest to tens. Nearest to 10. Here it is greater than 5 in the ones place. So it is greater than 5 in the tens place. So the next tenth number is 19, nearest tens is 20. This is 20 because after 19, 20 only one number is there. And before 18 numbers are there. Means after 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Means here nearest tens is 20. Here 15. 15 means less than or equal to 5. So we have to write before nearest tens. Before nearest tens means here tens. Okay, here all this is also 14. Means in ones place 4 less than 5. So the nearest tens before 14 is 10. Once again observe here 26. The nearest ten of 26 is the nearest tens of 26. Here ones place and tens place. Means what is here? The nearest place of 26 is more than, here the ones place is more than 5. So the nearest place is 30. Is 30. Okay. This is nearest to tens. Next, nearest to hundreds. Same process. For example, take some numbers. 210. Okay. 210, 280, 245. Some examples nearest to hundreds. Here 210. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. You already learned in the 5th class. What are the place values also? Okay. We can discuss the place values in the expanded form also in the next after this. Okay. Here nearest to 100 means here ones, tens, hundreds. What is the ones place? 100 plus here 200. So it is nearest to 200. Next here again see tens place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here now check it. Here 80 means it is greater than 50. So we have to write the next hundreds place. Here 2 means next hundreds means 300. Here 45 less than 50, 250 means 200. These are the rounding of numbers nearest to tens, hundreds, and like that also thousands also. Okay, we can do some sums on this in the exercise sums. Okay, now next. Now see, round up the following numbers nearest to tens. First one, exercise 1. First one, 89. Second one, 415. 415. Next, 3500 and 3951. 3951. Here we have to write the nearest tens places. Here the nearest tens places. Okay. Here 89. The nearest tens places is 90. because it is greater than, here the tens place is greater than 5. So the next number. Okay, next here also see. Here the tens place is 1, means less than 5. Means what is here? What will be coming here? Once observe here. The nearest place of tens place means 1. Means what is here? 0. Means 410. Here the tens place 15. The nearest one is less than or equal to 5. Means so it is 410. Now here 51. 51. The nearest tens place is, here 1 is in the unit place and 5. Means nearest tens place is 50. 3950. This is the tens place. Okay. Next topic. Like that, some more examples are given in the hundreds. I told you some examples. Now we can do some nearest to thousands. Okay, first one 3415. Okay, next second one 8765. Next third one 4001. This is 4001. This is the 4001. Okay. Now check it here. The place value here the nearest thousands. Once check it here, unit tens 100. 100 place is 415. The nearest 450, 3000 is, that is equal to 3000. Because it is less than 500. Okay. Next here 8765. It is here the 100 place is greater than 5. 100 place is greater than 5. So the 1000 place should be the next number. Means what is that? 8000 means 8000 means 9000. This is nearest to 9000. Here 4000. What is the nearest round? How can we round up the round of the number? Here 4001. Here how can we round off? 4000. Nearest to 1000. Here once again I am telling, see how can we round up the 1000? Means 1000 here the place value 1000 you leave it. After 1000 means 100 place. Here 100 place is less than 5. So the 1000 place is 3000 only. Because for 450 the next number if you add means how much you have to add? 85. Means then you will get 3500. Okay. So it is less than. Means here 3000. Here 8765. Means it is nearest to 9000. Here nearest to 4000. This is called the rounding of numbers to tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. The next topic is expanded form. What is next topic? Expanded form. Okay. What is the expanded form? Expanded form means, for example, I am taking some example here. One see, I am taking 76512. I want to write the place value of this number. Okay, how can we say? From the right side to the left side. From the right side to the left side. This is ones place. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is 100 place. This is 1000 place. This is 10,000 place. Okay. From the right side to the left side. Means first here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1000 place, 10,000. After lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the place value. How can we write? Okay. We can do some sort. How can we expand it? Okay. For the same sum I am doing here. Here 16 means here 7 into. This is 10,000 place. So keep 1. After 7 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep 4 zeros. This is means 10,000. 7 into 10,000 means because it is in the 10,000 place. Next plus, you have to keep plus compulsory. 6 into This is 1000 plus into 1000 plus again 5 into 100 plus means 5 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. If we write 7 into 1000, 7 into 10,000, 70,000 plus 6 into 1000, 6,000 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 2 into 1, 2. If we add all, we get 76,512. This is the expanded form. Once again, I will repeat it. See here. In the expanded form, from the right side to the left side, we will tell the place values. This first place is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000 place. After that, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay? This is the expanded form. If the expanded form is given, for example, if the expanded form is given, also if I write the number in the short form. Here see 3000, write the number in the short form. 3000 plus 400 plus 7 is given here. Means here this is 1's place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place. What is the missing place here? 10's place. So you have to write in the 10's place 0. Okay. Now see 3400 0 with 7 means here 10's place is 0. And otherwise you can write here see 3000. This is 1000 place, this is 100's place, and 10's place is not a 0 plus 7. Means if you add 3407. This is the expanded form in short form. Here the expanded form is given. You have to write in the short form. Okay. Next one. Introduction to large numbers. Introduction to large numbers. Okay. Introduction to large numbers. Means here up to now we have learned about the rounding of figures, rounding of numbers in tens, hundreds and thousands and the expanded form. Now writing the number names means we have to know the national and international systems here. What is national system? 1's place, 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000, 10,000. Okay. National. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Okay. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Okay. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000, 10,000, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the national system. Okay. Depending upon this, also we have to write the number names. We have already learned how to write the number names in the earlier class. So you have to practice at home. Okay. Next, before going to the international system, I will give you some values. You have to by heart for the bits here. Okay. You have to by heart for the bits here. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Next, 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. You already know. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, you have to by heart for the bits. For example, we can do some problems. Here some problems are given. See, I will read the questions here. Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 15,030 runs in test matches and 18,111 runs in one-day cricket. What is the total number of runs scored by him in the both type of matches? First what Tendulkar was a famous cricket player. He scored 15,030 runs in one test match and 18,111 in another one day match. What is his total score? Means total score means we have to add the both. Means first we have to write the statements. Runs scored by the Tendulkar in test match. First one. Runs scored by Tendulkar in test match. Equal to how much in test match? How much? 15,030. 15,030. And the runs scored in one day match. Runs scored in one day match. One day match, how many runs he scored? How many? 18,111. Now we have to find the total score. Means total score. Total score means we have to add simply. Simply add it. 1's place. Next time plus 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. Next 5 plus 8, 13. 1 borrow. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Here total score here for all the matches is 33,141. Like that, some more sums are given. Here you have to practice for the exam. Here we have to practice for the what do we have to practice here? Nearest to numbers, number names, and here one more thing. One thing. For example, I will write one numbers. You have to mention by using the commas here. Okay? Here see. 11, 24, 670. This is the one number. You have to use commas and you have to write down. Okay, here units, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, units, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Like that. You have to keep the commas. If you know how to write the number names also, you can practice. No problem in that. Okay, practice well for the online exam. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. We can meet in the next class. Prepare well. Okay.